Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, today I am going to make a video for the students who are studying in the 5th standard. We will deal with today Environmental Studies Part 1. Students, today we are going to study chapter number 13, that is the methods of preserving food. Students, first of all, I would like to say thanks to my subscribers, those who have liked it, shared it and commented below the video as well as subscribed my channel. Thank you all. Students, before moving forward, I would like to ask very simple question to you. Okay, are you ready? Yes, if you know the answer, type your answer below the video. Okay students, very good. Now students, can you tell me what have you eaten in your breakfast? Yes student, comment your answer in the comment box. Okay, yes student, can you tell me? Yes.
Sir, I have eaten oats with milk and bananas. Sometimes I eat bananas with milk.
Very good. Yes, most of the times what do we eat? Banana, oats and milk, as well as sometimes we eat omelette too, which is made up of what? Eggs. Very good answer. Okay, now can you tell me what do you eat in your lunch? Yes, can you tell me what do you eat or what you have eaten in your lunch? Yes. Yes, who will tell me? Comment your answer. Yes, type your answer in the comment box.
Sir, I have eaten chapati, bhaji, rice and tur dal in my lunch.
Very good answer. Very good. Students, most of the time we do eat in our lunch or dinner, that is chapati, rice, dal and sabji. Okay student? Yeah, very good. Sometimes we do eat non-veg. Okay student? Yes, very good answer. Okay? Yes, type your answer students. Now student, can you tell me chapati that is made up of wheat, rice and dals, different dals, various dals, tur dal, moong dal, lentil dal. Okay? Then is it available throughout the year? Yes, it is available throughout the year. We do eat all these food items throughout the year. But students, do you know the productive season of these things? For example, see, wheat. We make chapati of wheat as well as we make bread of wheat. Different food items can be made up of wheat. But what is the productive season of wheat? Yes, it is cultivated in the Rabi season. Rabi season means what student? Yes, it is winter crop. Winter crop means it cultivated from November, December, January, February. Okay, so November to February, but we use it throughout the year. In June, July, August also we eat wheat. We use the food items which is made up of wheat student. How it is possible? Yes student. Now just now the student has told me that she eats rice too. Yes student. Then see, the productive season of rice is June, July, August and September. It means it is cultivated in the rainy season. Okay. It is cultivated in rainy season. If it is cultivated in rainy season, then how it is available throughout the year? Yes, we eat till the end of year. How it is possible? Yes, can you tell me how it is possible if the productive season of the grains are different one? It is available throughout the year. Eggs are available. Okay. Then milk is available in daily we have the fresh milk. How do we have this fresh milk? Yes, one, can you tell me how the food items are available throughout the year. Yes, can you tell me? Type your answer in the comment box. Okay, students? Very good. Yes, now who will tell me?
Sir, we store and preserve the food grains so it is available throughout the year.
Very good answer. Okay, students. See, students, now. So, the food grains or the food stuffs are available throughout the year. Why it is available throughout the year? Because we store it at our home as well as we preserve it. So, it is available throughout the year. Okay, students. We do need wheat, rice, pulses, jowar, bajri, okay, then oil seeds throughout the year. Okay, so what is required? It is very important to preserve the food grains so that we can use throughout the year. Okay, but student, we do know that a particular food grain is cultivated in the particular season only. For example, there are two main seasons of cultivation in India, that is Rabi season and Kharif season. Rabi season and Kharif season. Student, the grains which are cultivated during June, July, August, September is known as Kharif crops. Okay, and the grains which are cultivated during or in the period of November, December, January and February, okay, and harvested in April and May, that are called as Rabi crops. Okay, and in these two seasons different crops are cultivated and harvested. Okay, but we need to preserve these things. For example, rice is the Kharif crop. Okay, student, it is cultivated and harvested in June, July, August, September. Okay, but we have to preserve the rice till the next season. Okay, so that we can use it throughout the year. Okay, and one more example, wheat is a Rabi crop. It means it is cultivated and harvested in the period of November, December, January and February, harvested in April and May. So we need to store it and preserve it so that we can use throughout the year. Okay, student. So it is very important to preserve the food grains. For example, wheat, rice, pulses, dals, oil seeds, all these things. Okay, students, have you understood? Students, one more important thing is that, see, the variety of foodstuffs are produced in different places, but it should be available to all in all places. So what we need to do is that we need to preserve it properly and make it available to all the people as well as at all places. Okay, students, for example, see, do you know where the apple is produced? Yes, it is produced in the northern India. For example, in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. But the apple is available all over the India. How it is possible? Why? Yes, can you answer? Yes, if you want to answer, type your answer in the comment box. Okay, student? Yes, we do preserve and the people make it available to all the peoples. Okay, student? Have you understood this much? Yes. So in the same way, the foodstuffs which are produced in a distant places, it should be made available to all people. For example, one more example, eggs. Okay, daily we use eggs, but the eggs are available in a good condition. These are not damaged. Okay, so it is in good condition. Eggs are very delicate, but it is available in a good condition to us. Okay, why? Because it is stored and preserved, so it is available to us or to the people in good condition. In the same way, milk and the milk products, this is also very delicate products. Okay, student, so milk is available in a fresh condition to us. How it is possible? Because it is stored as well as preserved. Okay, student, so such kind of foodstuffs should make available to all people, as well as it should be make available in good condition. It should not be damaged. Okay, student? It should be available in good condition to the users during the transport of the eggs and the dairy products. Okay, students? Yes, very good. Have you understood this much? Very good, students. Students, as there is a need of preservation of different foodstuffs as well as eggs, dairy products, in the same way we need to preserve the vegetables also. Students, you know that a variety of vegetables are produced as well as it is available in the market too. Students, you know that different or variety of vegetables are produced in a different seasons. Okay, and these particular vegetables are tastes the best in the particular season only. But what we do to experience the same taste, we need to preserve such kind of vegetables, fruits in a different way. Okay, so that we can experience this one in a proper way or in a better way. So it is very important to preserve the vegetables as well as fruits in a different way. For example, you know that we make fruit jams, and fruit jams can be used throughout the years. We use the mango pulp. We make mango pulp, and mango pulp can be used throughout the year. Different juices are available in the market, okay, having the different flavor. Okay, so we can taste the fruits throughout the year even after passing over the season. Okay, students, have you understood this much? Very good. Students, there are different ways to preserve the foodstuffs. Okay, students, in most of the homes, in a different way, the people preserve the food in a different way. They store the food in a different way. Okay, for example, people make papads, jams, pickles, onions, fish, masalas are prepared as well as stored and they can use throughout the year. At our home, we can make papads. What is it, student? Yes, these are papads. Yes. Ask your mummy or mother, how do we make papads? Okay, and type your answer in the comment box. Okay, do not forget. So this is papad. We can store it, preserve it, and we can use throughout the year. Okay, the papad of rice, papad of jawar, papad of wheat, different kinds of papads we do use. So these are some of the ways to preserve the food stuff, and we can use these such kind of food stuffs throughout the year. Okay, students, have you understood how to preserve some of the food stuffs? Yes, you can ask to your mother and you can type your answer in the comment box. Okay, students, nowadays we can buy such kind of ready-made products in the market too. Students, to avoid going to market or provisions again and again, what we do, actually we store the required food grains at our home, okay, to avoid going to market again and again. And we can use that food grains for several days. Okay, student, as well as sometimes at our home, what does happen, if the prepared food for meal is not finished, then what our mother does? Yes, do you know? You can ask to your mother and type your answer in the comment box. Yes, she preserves the food for the next time by using certain method of preserving the food. For example, most of the time if we have refrigerator at our home, then we can put the food stuff in the refrigerator and we can use the same meal for the next time. Okay, students, have you understood? Very good. So certain method can be used to keep the food away from the spoiling it. Students, now here I am going to ask some of the questions to you regarding some of the food stuffs. For example, milk, vegetables, grains, flour, sugar, jaggery. Okay, student, so I will be asking questions regarding to it and you need to ask the answer to your elders, or you can discuss with your elders at your family, and you can type your answer in the comment box. Okay student, first of all you need to try yourself at your own, then after I will explain or I will give answer of the questions. Okay, are you ready? Yes, very good. So first question is, when do we say that the food stuff is spoiled? What changes are seen in it? Okay student, this is the first question. Now the second question is the time in which the food stuff get spoiled different in a different seasons. This is the second question. Now the third question, which foodstuffs spoiled most quickly? Now the fourth question, what measures are taken to keep the foodstuffs in the house in a good condition for as long as possible? Yes student, first of all you try to give the answers of this question. Later on I will give the answers. Okay student? Yes, type your answer in the comment box quickly. Now student, let me explain the answers of this question through the video. Watch this video, you will get the answers. Okay student? Yes, very good.
Mama, I'm eating banana.
Don't eat, it is spoiled.
When do we say that food stuff is spoiled? What changes are seen in it?
When we see white, black and greenish fiber on foodstuff. See here, black patches are there. It means it is spoiled.
Is the time in which food stuff gets spoiled in different seasons?
Yes, mostly in summer season foodstuff gets spoiled and not in winter.
Which food stuff gets spoiled quickly?
Milk, mango pulp and juices get spoiled quickly.
Which measures are taken to keep foodstuff in the house in good condition for as long as possible?
Different methods are used to preserve the food. For example, drying, cooling, boiling, placing in airtight can. Okay, have you understood now?
Yes, Mommy, thank you.
Yes student, have you watched the video? Yes, have you got the answers of all the questions? Very good. Now students, let's move forward. Students, it is very important to know the reasons why the foodstuffs go bad or why the foodstuffs damage. Okay, if we know the reason behind damaging or going bad or spoiling the food, then what we can do? We can preserve them. We can find out the ways to preserve the foodstuffs if we know the reason behind spoiling the foodstuffs. Okay student, so it is very important to know the reasons behind spoiling the foodstuffs. Okay students, so first of all we will know the reasons behind the spoiling the foodstuffs, then we can understand how to preserve the foodstuffs. Okay students, do you know in which season do the foodstuff keep for a longer time? Okay, or we do not find that foodstuffs are not getting spoiled? Yes students, in winter, in the season of winter we can keep the foodstuff for a longer time. If we are keeping the foodstuffs in a refrigerator or on ice, then we can keep the foodstuffs for a longer time. Okay student, so winter is the best season where we can see the foodstuffs do not get spoiled quickly. Okay students, just now I told you that grains are available throughout the year. How it is possible? Because we have preserved it, we have stored it. But before storing it, what is important to do? That yes, we need to dry the grains. Okay, so in the summer season we dry the grains. Okay, when we dry the grains, the water quantity in the food grains evaporated or get dried, and because of that it do not catches the fungus. Okay, it do not catches the microorganism and it do not get spoiled. So we need to dry the food grains, as well as we dry onions as well as potatoes in summer seasons. Okay, and because of that, onions and potatoes can be used throughout the year. Once it is dried, it will not spoil quickly because the water quantity in onions and potato get dried. Okay, students, have you understood this much? Students, one more important thing I would like to ask you and tell you that how do we preserve milk? Yes, what we do? You can ask to your mother. Yes, we boil it. We boil it so that we can preserve the milk for a longer time. If we boil it properly, then it will not spoil quickly. Okay, student, so boiling is very important. As well as we boil curries and vegetables to the point or to the temperature so that it will be or it can be used for the next time or next meal too. So boiling is one of the methods that we can use to preserve the foodstuffs. Students, you know that milk is one of the things that it get quickly spoiled, as well as the mango pulp, or we can say juices. Different juices got spoiled quickly. Okay, so these are some of the delicate things which get quickly spoiled: milk and mango pulp or different juices. Students, if you don't want your foodstuffs should not be get spoiled, it is very important to take care of the ants, cockroaches, insects, mice, rats, cats. So we need to keep the foodstuffs away from all these insects. Okay, students? So the foodstuff will not be spoiled quickly. Okay, students, have you understood this much? Very good. So today what we have learned? Today we have learned about how to preserve the foodstuff. Why there is a need of preserving foodstuffs. Okay, so that we have studied today. In the next video, we are going to study food and the microorganism or fungus. Okay, student? As well as we are going to study the methods of preserving food. Okay, student? So, to understand what is microorganisms and to understand the methods of preserving food, be connected with me. Okay, student? And to be connected with me, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, student? And if you have liked this video and found it useful to you, so do not forget to like it, share it and comment below the video, and do not forget to subscribe it. Okay, as well as press the bell icon so that you will get current notification of such kind of new and useful videos. Thank you. Be connected.